For decades, General Motors trucks built their reputation on toughness. Silverado and Sierra owners trusted that their engines, especially GM's V8 South, could endure heavy towing. Long commutes and relentless job site abuse, that reputation is now facing one of its most serious challenges in years across the United States. Reports of 2026 GM trucks suffering catastrophic engine failures at shockingly low mileage are rapidly mounting. Industry experts are calling it one of the most alarming reliability crises GM has faced in recent memory. These are not isolated incidents. Dealerships, service departments, independent mechanics, fleet operators, and warranty claim data all point to the same troubling pattern. Complete engine failures occurring far earlier than expected, often well before 100,000 miles. For a full-size pickup marketed as professional grade, that's catastrophic. Owners describe eerily similar warning signs. It often begins quietly subtle ticking noises, rough idle, or a brief oil pressure warning that disappears as quickly as it appears. Then come misfires, loss of power, and finally, total engine shutdown. In many cases, the engine seizes completely, leaving replacement as the only option. Veteran GM technicians say the most disturbing part isn't just the failures, it's how fast they're happening. Engines designed to last 200,000 miles or more are failing at 40,000, 60,000, even 80,000 miles. That timeline alone raises serious red flags. According to independent engine builders, these failures are not random. They stem from known weaknesses in GM's modern engine architecture issues that were reworked, not resolved. At the center of the crisis is GM's continued reliance on active fuel management, AFM, and dynamic fuel management, DFM systems. These technologies improve fuel economy by shutting down cylinders when full power isn't needed. On paper, they sound smart. In practice, they've become a long-running reliability nightmare. Mechanics explain that AFM and DFM add extreme mechanical complexity. Lifters constantly collapse and re-engage. Camshafts experience uneven wear. Oil passages restrict flow. Internal tolerances shrink. Over time, this creates a perfect storm for failure. GM claimed the 2026 engines refine these systems. Experts now argue those refinements didn't eliminate the problem, they only delayed it. Lifter failure remains the leading cause of catastrophic GM truck engine damage. When a lifter collapses or sticks, it can destroy a camshaft within minutes. Metal shavings then circulate through the engine, contaminating bearings, oil pumps, and crank journals. At that point, the engine is no longer rebuild friendly. One master GM technician with over 25 years of experience put it bluntly: when a 2026 GM truck comes in with a lifter failure, we don't even discuss partial repairs anymore. The engine is done. That statement alone should concern any truck buyer. Oil delivery problems compound the issue. Experts point to thin oil specifications, extended oil change intervals, and small oil passages that clog easily under real-world conditions. These engines may pass lab tests and EPA targets, but they struggle under heavy-duty use. Towing, hauling, idling, stop-and-go traffic, and repeated heat cycles accelerate oil breakdown. Even brief drops in oil pressure can starve critical components. By the time a warning light appears, the damage is already done. Engine failures happen to every automaker. What makes GM's 2026 truck situation different is scale. Reports are coming from every region: hot southern states, cold northern climates, coastal humidity zones, and dry inland areas. That rules out environment as the primary cause. Fleet operators are especially alarmed. Many report multiple engine failures across trucks built months apart and maintained strictly according to GM's service schedule. When fleet managers lose confidence, it's a serious warning sign. Inside GM dealerships, service departments are under strain. Engine replacements are back. Some trucks sit for weeks waiting for crate engines. Others are repaired only to return months later with similar problems. Technicians privately admit that warranty repairs feel like a bandage, not a cure. Replacing one failed engine with another built to the same specifications doesn't restore confidence when the root cause hasn't changed. So far, GM has avoided labeling the situation a crisis. There's been no sweeping recall, no broad acknowledgement of systemic failure, and no public commitment to a ground-up redesign. Industry analysts warn this strategy is risky. In the age of social media, YouTube, teardown videos, and mechanic exposes, silence often looks like denial. Owners aren't just complaining, they're documenting everything. The damage goes beyond finances. Once warranty coverage expires, engine replacement costs can exceed $10,000. Even under warranty, downtime is costly. For many owners, Trucks are tools. When they fail, work stops. Contracts are delayed, and income is lost. There's also an emotional toll. Truck buyers expect durability. When a nearly new vehicle suffers catastrophic failure, trust evaporates. Perhaps most telling is how many independent shops now advise customers not to buy newer GM trucks if long-term ownership is the goal. That advice would have been unthinkable a decade ago. Engine builders report the same patterns repeatedly. Cam lobes wiped smooth, lifter rollers seized, bearings scored, and oil pumps showing premature wear. These are not signs of abuse, they're signs of systemic weakness. Experts point to regulatory pressure as a major factor. Fuel economy standards push automakers toward complex efficiency solutions instead of simple, durable designs. GM chose technology-heavy fixes over mechanical simplicity. The result? Engines that perform well on paper but struggle under real-world stress. Competitors that abandon cylinder deactivation or redesigned engines with reliability as the priority are gaining ground. Buyers notice, resale markets notice too. Used values for certain GM trucks are already softening as long-term risk gets priced in. Experts recommend aggressive preventative maintenance, shorter oil change intervals, oil analysis, immediate attention to warning lights, and listening closely for early noises. Some owners turn to aftermarket solutions to disable cylinder deactivation. While controversial, many mechanics say it significantly reduces failure risk. None of these are guarantees. This crisis isn't just about engines, it's about identity. GM trucks are supposed to be workhorses. When that promise collapses, loyalty disappears fast. Without decisive action, redesigned engines, extended warranties, or full transparency, the damage could linger for years. The evidence is clear. 2026 GM trucks are losing engines nationwide, and these failures are not flukes. They are the predictable result of design choices that prioritize efficiency over durability. Experts agree on one thing: without meaningful change, this problem won't fade away. It will only grow louder, more expensive, and more damaging to GM's reputation. For buyers, the message is sobering. For GM, it's a reckoning.